Hi guys, this is Joe from Techie Lobang. Check out what is this. It is the latest Google Pixel 3 XL phone. So I just got it during the launch. It's a review set. I have not done the unboxing yet. I'm sharing it with you right now. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. So let's take a look at what is inside this box. This is the Pixel 3 XL, the bigger version of the Pixel 3. And let's open up. So I love how they package this box. You see, there's indication that these are the documents. And there's also an indication that says that there's a pin inside here, which is here, the pin. And over here, if you can see, there's a ear sign, means that it is an earbud. So Google has promised that they are going to provide the USB-C earbuds. And here is the USB-C earbud. And underneath the earbud, you have the cable, the USB-C cable, the 3.5mm to USB-C adapter, and they even provide a OTG dongle. There is USB-C to USB-A. Oh, so that's very nice of Google to provide this. Over here, you have the charger. So it's a UK pin charger. It's a 3-pin here for UK. And also for Singapore, definitely. So that's it for the unboxing. Let me power on this device so that we can take a look together and see what is inside. Nice. I love the finishing here. Although it says that this is glass, but you can see that it's not a fingerprint magnet. There's a plus point for Google. Take a look at the edge. It is a very slim phone, and you can see that for this white color, you have the lime green power on button. So if you have other colors, that means if you have the black one, then this power on button is a black color. Or if you have the not pink color, you have the orange color power on button. Let me power on. Did you see the notch here? So let me complete the setup before I talk to you again.